We are here inside of Janco Industries. We are a metal fabrication company. We actually started back in 1993.
My grandpa actually started everything, and then in the 90s, my dad and his brother joined together and started Janco. At that point, it was just welding. Now we have laser cutting, bending, welding, machining, powder coating, and assembly. So it started with my grandpa and then kind of moved through my dad and his brother, and now it's my dad and us as a family.
So the culture around here is that obviously we work and we get the job done, but we're also allowed to have fun. So it's not so nailed down that you can't just loosen up a little bit. They are very passionate about their employees growing and learning. They hired you for a reason and they want to use that. And I think that that's a great thing to be able to spread your wings here and be able to fly.
Core purpose is simplify mastering efficient solutions from paper to paint. But for that to happen, everybody in here has to master what they do. My true mission is for everybody here to be successful and to go home at the end of the day and feel really good about themselves. It was a Thursday morning. Deanna and I had just got to the office in Marshalltown. I didn't even have my bag unpacked. I think Deanna had just sit down at her computer and I'd done my walkthrough through the shop and came into the office. And my phone rang and it was Tyler. And Tyler, it was a very short, quick conversation. I answered my phone and he said,
"Dad, there's a fire. You need to get back now."
All fire units, we have a fully involved fire at Janco Industries in Sully. All fire units in the area respond.
At that time, in my mind, it wasn't an option. This is a passion. This is a family. Yeah, there was no question in my mind. I knew we were gonna rebuild and reload and let's go.
They're good to their employees. They really are. They treat them right. They do what they need to do to help grow the company. If you work hard for the company, they'll work hard for you.
It is special to come in and see the smiling faces, and we talk to each other. We ask each other about how our families are doing. You feel connected to everybody and you know what's going on in their personal lives, not just their work life.
The quality of employees that we have. You know, I've worked at a few different places where, you know, you get people coming in and you're like, okay, this guy ain't gonna last more than a couple of days. You know, we want the best and that's what we get. So that's something that's really, I think that's the biggest it factor is we get people in here that want to work, that want to learn.
Don't want to be just a number, and they truly want a group of people who are going to care for them. They truly want to be in an organization where everybody truly gets along. Then they need to come work here.